This is Ronald Corbin once again. This is our last video for this class. And for this video, I've decided to talk about the hierarchy of punctuation. The hierarchy of punctuation works in almost the same way as it would for the hierarchy of sentencing, except for now we're talking about how punctuation marks are used in a sentence. For example, there are several tiers to the hierarchy, the top tier being periods, question marks, exclamation points. And at that level, the question mark, the exclamation point, and they all define sentence boundaries. The next level, which has the colon, the dash, and parentheses, they define not only the boundaries of the independent clause, but also the boundaries of words, phrases, and dependent clauses. And the semicolon would be on the next level. A semicolon pretty much does almost the same as the other three, but it is kind of limited in some ways. But it does separate items in a coordinate series, which is something that the ones on the hierarchy above it cannot do. The last part of the hierarchy at the bottom level is the comma, and it can define the boundaries of words, phrases, and dependent clauses. But it can't do anything for an independent clause unless there's a coordinating conjunction that goes ahead of it or something of that nature. So the hierarchy of punctuation is very important. You not only have to know what to use, but in what context to use it in. It has a lot to do with how the reader is going to receive what you're saying, and that kind of lends into rhetorical, but I'm not going to get into that. We're just going to talk about the hierarchy. But punctuation is very important. The way you punctuate it can really affect how the reader is going to see it. So that's the hierarchy of punctuation.